Part 2 of our mother and daughter date dito sa SM Mega Mall. Laging puno sa Panda Express kaya never pa kami nakapag-dine-in dito. Lagi lang kami deliver sa Food Panda. Kaya we decided to finally have lunch here kasi maaga pa and wala pa masyadong tao. We love Chinese food and for me, masarap yung mga dishes na ino-offer ng Panda Express. Famous dito itong honey walnut shrimp and this is my most favorite here, yung Mongolian pork. Na-try ko na rin yung mga beef dishes nila like Beijing beef and beef with broccoli and masarap din. This is Panda Express most famous dish, orange chicken. Ang bilis maubos, grabe. Pero mabilis din naman sila mag-refill. Meron din silang savory shrimp and egg rolls. We ordered yung plate that comes with 2 entrees and 1 side for 399. Nag-share lang kami ni baby kasi tingnan nyo naman, ang dami. Yung side nga pala is pwedeng i-half chow mein and fried rice. Pinili ko syempre yung pinaka-favorite ko dito, yung Mongolian pork. I like it kasi ang tender nung pork and yung sauce niya, ibang level yung sarap for me. Masarap naman yung fried rice nila pero nothing special. Ito yung favorite ng daughter ko dito, yung orange chicken. I agree naman, masarap talaga yung timpla ng orange chicken nila. I like the noodles better than the fried rice. Okay yung texture, may laban pag ninunguya mo. And of course, each order mo dito comes with a fortune cookie. Aliw na aliw yung daughter ko dito kasi paano daw ginawa yung cookie with a paper inside.
Your life will become prosperous.
I love spending time with my daughter. When we eat together, dito siya nagsishare ng mga happenings sa life niya, lalong-lalo na sa school. Nagtatanong na nga kung kailan daw kami magde-date ulit. Na-order namin yung favorites namin na freshly cooked lahat. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy namin yung dining experience namin dito sa Panda Express. Share nyo naman yung mga favorites nyo dito sa Panda Express so we can try next time. Yun lang. Bye!